Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be after dark clean with me. It's winter, so it gets dark pretty quickly, and lately I've been enjoying cleaning in the evening, which I didn't like before, but now I find it so relaxing and peaceful. We have been busy all day and I didn't have time to do everyday things around the house, so I will take care of everything now. I didn't even make the bed in the morning and I'm making it now as well.
Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane.
Now I'm moving straight into the kitchen where I will spend most of my evening. We just had dinner, so I'm cleaning all the dishes from that and also from lunch and breakfast, and it was a lot.
Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.
If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sara and I make cleaning videos here on my channel. My goal here is to motivate you to clean your home with me, because it's always better to have someone with you while cleaning. At least that's how I feel. I love watching cleaning videos where I clean, or I watch them before I start cleaning if I'm not feeling it. They always motivate me to get at least some stuff done. Tell me in the comments if you are cleaning along or just watching for some cleaning motivation. If you enjoy cleaning and organization videos, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you here, and don't forget to leave a like and comment down below so we can get to know each other. I also have an Instagram account and it's called Sara's Corner 1 if you want to follow me there so we can connect even more.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear.
had to wash so many dishes that day. I felt like it will never end, but I did it and I felt amazing because now I can move to the rest of the kitchen so I can start fresh tomorrow morning and I don't have to worry about dirty dishes first thing in the morning. I also wanted to clean the cabinets because they were full of fingerprints and gunk from cooking. We cook almost every day and I'm really proud of that, but that also means dirty kitchen every single day, but I learned to enjoy cleaning it. For cleaning the cabinets, I use this Steve Power & Shine cleaner and wet cleaning cloth, and then I wipe them down with dry kitchen towel. I found out that this cleaner works the best on these cabinets. It doesn't leave any stripes and it really gets everything off them. Before that, I've been using Pledge wood cleaner, which worked amazing too, but I like that one better now.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
I recently started putting away clean dishes almost immediately after washing them instead of leaving them to air dry, and so far I'm loving it. It makes the kitchen look even more put together.
Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you.
Now I'm moving back into our bedroom to put away some folded laundry and also to fold the rest. I will also vacuum in here and in the laundry room.
I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I don't wanna fall asleep. Don't wanna fall too deep into what isn't real. Here is where I need to be, with you lying next to me, better than my dreams. You opened my eyes, kissed me alive. I don't
Now the last thing that I will do today is tidy up the living room. This coffee table is always full because we put everything here when we come home, or if we are at home all day we spend most of the time here, so it's messy as well. I will also vacuum in here and hang some clean laundry that I washed before. And if you notice the change of outfit, that is because we had one last quick errand to do and I didn't feel like changing back because I will go shower after I'm done cleaning anyway.
Couldn't let you want it though. Who am I to let you down? No. Who am I to let you down, down, down? If you let me walk away, maybe then we'd lose it all. No. Who am I to let you
And that is everything for today's after dark cleaning video. I thought that I will spend more time cleaning everything, but at the end it took me just under 2 hours. I hope this video motivated you to clean with me. If it did, please leave a like, it helps a lot. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed and you want to see more of my videos. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate everyone and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!